Good morning, second graders. Today I am going to show you how to divide words into syllables or word parts. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the word zigzag. And this is an example of a zigzag here if you don't know what one is. And the first thing I want to do when I'm dividing words into word parts is to find my syllables. Not syllables, vowels. So in zigzag, I have an I here and an A here. So I'm going to put V for vowel under those. And then I'm going to see where my consonants between the vowels are. And so I'm going to find my I. Next to my I have the letter G. That's a consonant. So I'm going to label that C for consonant. And I'm going to label Z for consonant. Now, if I clap out the word zigzag, it sounds like this. Zigzag. And it sounds like we have two syllables or two word parts or two claps. They're all the same thing. And up here I can see that I have two consonants between my vowels, and that tells me I'm going to divide my word into syllables right there. Zigzag. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have napkin. So first I'm going to find my vowels. So I have an A here and an I. Now I'm going to see if I have one or two consonants between my vowels. And I have a P and a K, so I'm going to divide napkin into syllables right between those two consonants, between the P and the K. And we can clap that out as well. Napkin. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. Rabbit. The first thing we do is find our vowels and label them beneath. So we have under the A, we're going to put a V. And is there another vowel in there? Yep, our I, right under the I. Now we're going to see if we have one or two consonants here. If we have two consonants, we always divide the word into syllables between those two consonants that are between the vowels. So here we have our first B and our second B. So if I'm going to divide rabbit into syllables, it's going to be right between those two consonants, right between the double B's. Excellent. Let's look at another word. Picnic. First we find our vowels. Then we label the consonants between them. If there's two consonants together, we're going to divide the words there. If there's only one consonant, we couldn't divide it into syllables there, but since we have pick-nick, two consonants, we're going to divide picnic between the C and the end. And you can hear that when we clap it out as well. Picnic. All right, next we have tidbit. So we find our vowels, label them, and look for our consonants between the vowels. And where do you think we would divide tidbit into syllables? That's right between our D and B. And today you get to practice dividing words into syllables on your own.